Hello, friends. Thank you for landing on my YouTube channel, which is SME Doctors. And the tagline for the channel is Uncover Gems. In this episodes, in this series of episodes, we speak about areas that may be of interest to SMEs. We have done various topics, and today the topic is an appraisal system of employees for increments to be paid to employees. Now, when we talk about appraisal in an SME, the first reaction would be that we don't do these kinds of things. We know how the person works. Half the time, we know